Guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So in this week market focus, we're gonna be looking at the same pairs. Sorry for the late upload, right? We had some technical issues supposed to upload yesterday. So yeah, but we are here, right? So we're gonna be looking at the same pairs that we looked at last week. We're gonna be looking at NU, right? We're gonna be looking at gold. We're gonna be looking at NAS, right? So we're still gonna be looking at these top three instruments. So make sure that you click on the like button, you subscribe, share the video you like, comment below what you guys think, what pair you would like us to look at on the next market focus, right? So yeah, okay, let's continue. Right. So looking at NZDUSD, last week we were waiting for the market to drop and come back here to give us a higher low, and then price did drop and came around. Let me just move this nicely there, right? So price did come and drop around these areas here, right? And then we push back up, but then we failed to break these highs. Remember last week we said we're looking for price to at least to come in here and give us an opportunity here if we are going to continue selling or break to the upside and then continue buying, right? But then price didn't do that. Right. So what happened is Monday price just continued dropping. We came back up, give us a lower high, and then we dropped, right? So today, which is a bit interesting, right? So what I'm looking at in front of me today is that, let me just delete this. Clean chart, fresh mind. All right, all right, all right. So we are looking at this here, right? So we have price breaking these lows here, and now we have price coming back to retest here, right? So what we can expect now is for price to give us signs of sell, and then we're going to continue selling this, right? Obviously with our TP1 here, and then with our TP2 here, and then if price continues just breaking, this is going to be our TP3, right? So that's going to be it, what we're going to be waiting for on NZDUSD. And then if also price does come back and give us another opportunity here, we're also going to take these sales and then drop, right? So let's wait and see what price does it, and then before we can take those sales. And then opportunities for a buy, right? Opportunities for a buy, if we do break above this area here, sorry, if we do break above this area here, and then I can start looking for opportunities for a buy, right? But then if you are going to be comfortable on taking buys when price breaks above here, just do this, breaks above here, come back, retest, and then you push back up. You can take it with your TP1 here, just to pay attention there if price does um react, and then change direction to continue pushing to the downside, right? So just pay attention to that. And then if we do break, obviously we're gonna wait for a retest and we're gonna continue pushing to the upside, right? So yeah. And then before I continue to the next one, we were supposed to have a bootcamp in Cape Town, but then it's cancelled, right? So everyone that paid gonna take out a refund. So for an apology, we're gonna be doing a 50% off on our online course. Sorry, 50% off. Yeah. So the course is gonna go about $40. So you only have 7 days. Wait, am I lying? Yeah. You only have 14 days left. The special is gonna end on the 7th of July. I'm gonna put the picture on the screen so that you guys can see. You just pause, and then you're gonna see all the things that you wanna get there. Nasdaq, gold, forex pairs, and everything that you would like to learn, right? So this is a chance to join the community. Make sure that you click the link below to contact us via Telegram, WhatsApp, any social media that you use, even email that we have that, right? So yeah, let me continue and move on to the next pair. All right, all right, all right. So the next pair is gold, right? Gold has been that naughty child, right? So we're waiting for gold to break out of this range, right? We're waiting for gold to break out of this range. What I like about it is that it was giving us opportunity of buys and sells in this range, right? And then I'm not a range trader. Let me just quickly move my mic because so that it can sound clear. There we go. Right. I'm not a range trader. So when the market started ranging, I stay away from it because I tend to take too many losses on that. So on gold, stay away and just watch it, right? So we finally break out of the range and then we're coming back to retest here. So this is gonna be our area where we're gonna be looking to take sales, right? If we don't break above back and then come back retest and we continue buying, right? So if gold come back, give us opportunities this week here, and then we're gonna be taking sells. Right, so this is the area where we're gonna be looking for gold to give us opportunities for sales. Where price is currently at, I'm just gonna wait until it comes here. 1940, right? 1940 is gonna be our area where we're gonna be looking at to take sales, and continue taking sales unless we do break 1940. Then obviously we're gonna wait and see what price does, right? Because price can break and also break back out, and then we're gonna continue going down, right? So gold, um we are looking at a bearish structure, so I don't see anything that says we must take buys, right? So now let's go to NAS. So before I go to NAS, if you guys would like to trade with pro firms, right? There are two pro firms that you can get at 10% off. The links are gonna be below. BFP program is a balance-based pro firm, and then consumer traders is an equity-based pro firm, right? So those two pro firms offer offering two different things. So if you are interested in trading pro firms, sign up using the links below, and then you're gonna get yourself 10% off on your challenges, and then you can start taking advantage of this pro firm, right? So yeah, they consumers start from $49, which is a 5K account, and then BFP they start from a 10K account, which is about 99. Yeah, around there, $99. So yeah, just click on the link below, sign up, and then check out everything they have. There's also videos that I did last week, so check out those videos just to see what they offer and what are the benefits they have there. Let's go to Nasdaq, and then while you're on Nasdaq, please don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe. Let's get this channel to 1,000 by the end of this year, and I know we can do it with you guys, right? So yeah, the reason I know is because you guys are just watching and not subscribing. Please do subscribe, man. Yeah, let's go. Okay, now we are looking at NAS, right? Nasdaq is becoming one of my favorite pairs. I like it, right? It's becoming one of my favorite pairs. Why? I will only explain that to the community. So as I said, like to join the community, it's only $40 to join. The sale is only for 2 weeks. If you miss it, price is going back to normal, which is going to be $150. So now let's look at what we see here on NAS, right? So last week, just to give it a break, last week we were waiting for NAS to come down here, right? But then price didn't drop until there, and we did mention that okay, cool. If price doesn't continue pushing up or give us signs of buys, what we're gonna wait for is we're gonna wait for price to drop, give us an opportunity for sales, and then we're gonna start taking sales, right? So what's happening now on Nasdaq is that we have these areas here where now we can look for opportunities. Sorry. Now we can look for opportunities for sales, right? So what I would expect on Nasdaq to do is wait for Nas to break out, come back, give us a retest, and then we're gonna sell Nasdaq targeting 14,579, right? So that's gonna be our target on Nasdaq. We're gonna be looking to sell it based on structure, breaking out and giving us an opportunity to sell, right? So don't just jump in the market. Just wait for Nasdaq to do what? To give you an opportunity before you can start selling, right? So we are going to be sending setups to our public group, which is going to be the Telegram group. Click the link below. Make sure that you also join the public Telegram group so that you can see. You will also see our results there on how we trade and stuff like that, right? And yeah. So Nas, I like analyzing with the market, guys. These arrows sometimes just are boring. I'm evolving, evolving on using a marker. Okay, so we break out, come back, retest, and then we push down, right? That's gonna be the option that you're gonna be looking at to take sales on Nasdaq. And then if we do get opportunities here for buyers, obviously we're gonna be buying Nas here. Sorry, here with our TP1 here. If we do continue breaking, because Nas is bullish, and so we just want to see how we're going to play out this week. So if we do break above here, obviously we're going to be targeting this area here, and then see from there where the market is going to go, right? Is it possible that Nasdaq can just play around here. Yes, it's possible, and when it does that, I will just wait for a breakout, and then for those that are comfortable with trading a range, just buy the lows and sell the highs. Keep it simple. Buy the lows, sell the highs, as simple as that. If you don't understand any of these, this just cost you $40 to come and learn everything that we're going to be teaching on our community. It's super amazing. Right. Yeah. What else did I miss on Nasdaq? Okay, sales, you mentioned that. Let's go to gold. Just to recap everything. Yeah, gold retest. We're looking for sales. If we break above, obviously we're gonna wait and see if the market's gonna give us opportunities for a buys around here, right? And then we can continue pushing up. So, and then we go to NU. Same thing here. We are looking for sales, right? So this week we have a bearish market that we're looking gonna be taking sales on. But then if the bearish market is not presented, obviously we're gonna be waiting and seeing that those buy opportunities are gonna be presented by the market, right? If there's no opportunities, no entry, no confirmation, no entry. See you guys on the community. The sale is gonna end in just 2 weeks on the 7th of July. And prop firms links are gonna be below. Everything you need, links are gonna be below. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Cheers.